Hello, and today I'm going to show you my Apple computer. This one is specifically my Apple IIe, and I'll be showing off the FujiNet device connected to a A2 Pico Lite adapter, which has soft SP as well as my Mega Audio sound card, and show you off how it works together. So just mind the camera moving a bit. I'm going to switch on the computer and show you how it starts up. As you can see, it comes up with a Fujitech or FujiNet logo, to be correct, and I've uploaded the latest config for it, which is version 1.6.1, as you can see. And by pressing C you can see that, pressing any key to return. And one of the changes in 1.6.1 is that on the main screen you can only see the smart port drives, but if you press the D key you can see that there's two drives. So I've already got Skyfox loaded there on a disk image. So let me boot that by pressing escape. So if I press escape, it will start up, and after a while it will load the game for you from the FujiNet. You might be interested in, there we go, if you can hear the music. So I think that's enough demonstration for the Mega Audio card that's installed in this machine, which is basically a Mockingboard or Mockingboard clone, which I will show you in a second. I'm just going to open up the computer and show you the inside of the computer of the Apple IIe. So there you can see on the right hand side a little, in slot 7, a little A2 Pico to Lite card. It's specifically in slot 7 to enable auto boot. In slot 6 is your normal Disk 2 card, which is a clone that I've also created, which works perfect. And next to it in slot 4, as it requires, is the Mega Audio card. I think this is an awesome sound card. It's got many features, but you can purchase the Mega Audio sound card from A2 Heaven. That is a website where you can go to, and I'm not sponsored by them, but they did a good job in creating this card. Also got in slot 2, I've got A2 Pico to VGA card, or HDMI card, I think. Yes, that's the HDMI version that I've got in this machine. I've also got the VGA version, but it works really well and gives you a good image. And there you have it. That is my Apple IIe computer, which I'm very proud of.